Do you ever feel like you're putting in all the work and getting zero results, and then you decide to quit at some point? If you're a creator on YouTube, you will need to first develop a thick skin, a proper audacious against the thought of giving up, except you never wanted to try in the first place. Well, here are key reasons why you should keep posting on YouTube, even if it feels like no one is watching or the growth is small and discouraging at times. The first reason is this: consistency builds trust and algorithms like it. You see, regular uploads train your audience to expect content. YouTube algorithm also favors creators who post consistently. Even if one video flops, the next one could take off. It recognizes channels that always show up, and it registers something in the system or in the framework or program. It shows that, okay, this person is serious, this channel will be cool to do business with, it is a channel we can bank on, it is serious, or this creator is serious, we can do business with him or her. You know, it has this, it comes with this sense of seriousness, and it really helps. Secondly, every video increases your chance to be discovered. Each video is a new opportunity for someone to find your channel. You never know which video might go viral or be picked up in search. Sometimes it's a particular video you've forgotten long time ago that picks up, and you'll be like, oh, I almost deleted this video when it was not having views. I had forgotten about this video. I thought it wasn't even useful to people, and now see, wow, so it's important. That's when you begin to see the beauty or the essence of that video, or those videos that you feel are not were not good enough for your channel because they were not having the views. Another reason why you should keep posting on YouTube is that you get better over time. They say practice makes perfect. Yes, practice improves your editing skill, storytelling skill, your camera presence, and the likes. You will learn what works by testing different styles and topics. You will learn on it. You get to explore a lot of things. You make mistakes, you learn from them, you pick this up, you will become an expert in something, and you will even be proud of yourself. You'll be like, wow, so I can do this. Wow, so I know how to do this. Another reason is that there's potential for long-term monetization. You see, old videos continue to earn ad revenues and attract new subscribers over time, and you will unlock features like super chats, memberships, sponsorships, and the likes. You'll be wondering, this video, I wanted to delete this video that time that I posted it because it was not getting the views and all of that. But there is every tendency for that video to earn lots of revenue later on when you least expect. Another vital reason is that you will get to build a community. Regular uploads has helped develop a loyal audience for people. Comment sections become more active as your community grows. You get to have family members away from your own family, so it helps you belong to a certain group of people, and that on its own is sweet. Another reason is that you will develop authority in your niche. Yes, posting often positions you as a pro or a go-to expert in your category, and it comes with some level of respect. Again, another reason is that analytics show you what to improve on. More videos, more data, more insights. You will see what topics, what thumbnails or titles that are resonating most with your viewers and community, what they easily relate with and understand. It helps shaping your niche. It's more like an open puzzle where you're looking for answers to things when you have them beside you, the answers beside you. So it's more like, okay, this is it, so this is what you should push out, this is what your people want from you, and it just helps shaping your channel, your niche, and your content creation in general. Also, you get to reach global audience. YouTube is available in over 100 countries and 80 languages. A small channel can still reach thousands worldwide. That's how fast and wide it can travel. You can connect with people worldwide, so it helps you reach a global audience. Content compounds over time. YouTube is a search engine. You see evergreen videos performing well for years. I have seen music videos by Celine Dion, Boys to Men, and the likes, counting millions of views, and it's been there for years, talking about more than 10 years, and I'll be like, wow. So one good video can lift up your whole channel. And finally, posting consistently fuels your creativity and passion. It keeps your creative muscles very active. You may discover new interests or niche angles through the process. It has a way of expanding your IQ, your creativity in general, and it's like an adventure on its own. It's like a world on its own, and you get to discover a lot of things that you never knew you could do. So it really helps to broaden your creativity level, and that goes a long way in keeping you active and very productive. If you've watched till this point, thank you so much. Trust me, if you put in the work, you will definitely see results. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.